What's up, everybody? Well, it's been a while since I've done a video, but me and the missus here, we put in the Satilla River at Burnt Fork, and we've had a hell of a time today with boat motors, trolling motors, everything you can think of going wrong, but we're in the water. She wants to catch a bass. She's never caught a bass, and I'm gonna try and catch some bluegill on a swamp spider and see how that goes. Well, we'll get back at y'all as we start fishing. Perfect too. 67 degrees. You don't think so? Ooh.
But he bited it the last second.
I see, right as I was pulling it up. Got a little speck, y'all. Thought he was a little bass when I seen him. Nice little speck. And another one. Big old speck.
Ooh, wow.
Man. Oh, it's a little beetle spin. Pretty in here in the dark. $67 degrees.
I don't think the pool will be that hard to get clean.
You don't think so? Ooh.
When he bited it the last second.
I see, right as I was pulling it up. Got a little speck, y'all. Thought he was a little bass when I seen him. Nice little speck. Y'all, this is what women do on sandbars. Read 10 magazines, bag full of stuff. Y'all, that's what we men do is on sandbars. We fish. And jerry rig motors is all I gotta say.
Did you zoom in on the stick?
Yeah, I know. Hey, I gotta show y'all this. So I don't know if y'all know about a plug you take out to rinse out with the hose, but let me show y'all something. Hang on, let me get pulled over here. Y'all see that? That's how you improvise. Now ask me where it went, where that plug went, I couldn't tell you. But that's how you improvise, with a wooden stick. Yep, it works though, so far. Reese cups.
Gotta get my plant game.
Y'all tell me in the comments if y'all like Reese cups or not. I like Reese cups and mini Cokes. Y'all check my rig out. Y'all tell me in the comments if y'all like my rig. Yeah, y'all also tell me in the comments what y'all's favorite river time snack is. You know, sardines, beanie weenies, Vienna sausages, however the hell you pronounce it. I don't know, couldn't tell you. I call it Vienna sausages. Spam sandwich. Y'all tell me in the comments. Let's see here. At the old spider. I'm leaving Old Beautiful at the Sandbar for a little while. Gotta go do my thing. Catch me a big old fat nasty bluegill and a speck right there that just flounced. But there's specks all in this corner right here. Guarantee it. No, that's not a fish. That's just me pulling the drag out. Little tide's going out. We're here in the Satilla, just up from 3R a little bit to a sandbar we always go to. Pretty nice. Get out and chill out. She gets to sit on the sandbar, and I get to just come across the river here and try and catch a fish. Y'all know how we do it. Y'all see that trash right there? I can probably guarantee there's gonna be a brim on that trash right there. We're gonna find out. I gotta get y'all down a little bit here. There we go. I said there was. That's what happens when you guarantee shit. Last time we was here, boy, I roped them, but it wasn't this high. Y'all don't try that at home. All right, let's try the old hornet. What me and Brandon call the hornet. Might catch some specks because they stacked up spawning with this water temperature at 65 degrees. It's crazy because this water temperature is like 65, and you go to the St. Mary's, that's still right in the high 50s. all kind of stuff on the depth finder. All this trash though. See there? That's a hell of a bluegill. Yeah. Look at that. On the old hornet, son. Was wearing them out today. Y'all check that out. Big old nice fat daddy bluegill. She likes to fish, but she likes the sand a lot more. I don't blame her, because it feels good today. If I can get into a mess of specks here, and this little eddy right here. Right at the boat. I'm talking a slab of a speck. Good speck, not a slab. He's not quite that big, but I mean right at the boat. Y'all check this out. Nice one. Damn it. That would have been a good cast too. Shit. Speck right there. It's only 7 feet. Ain't too bad. Probably a little stump knocker. But he hit it, at least. Look at that. I told you. Little stump knocker too, boy. Well, they don't care. I'm gonna keep y'all rolling. That was a little old fish. I'm gonna keep y'all rolling. Come on. And there's a big old brim right there. It's gotta be. Or not. Now, you know, if this was the summertime when the water is about 75 or 80, there'd be a monster right there. I guess it's gonna be speck fishing. I guess. Let's see. Damn it. It's always something. There's a fish right there. I don't know what it was, but there's a fish. Nonetheless. What the hell is that? Got another speck. Oh, jeez. Specking it up today, baby. Look at that, y'all. Nice fat daddy. Get out of here. All right, y'all, let's push off one more time. Leave Miss Lauren with her sandbar. Get y'all a little bit more footage before we head out. Might stop again and whatever, but we'll get y'all going. Look at that wind. There's some fish down there. What y'all think? It's pretty today, I know that. It don't get no better than this, y'all. You got your wife with you. She's laying out on the sandbar, chilling, doing her thing. You over here fishing right across from her. Yeah, man. She's something special. Yeah, it ain't but 4 foot deep over here. Yeah, this river's shallow. I gotta be careful. Be hitting stuff up underneath the water. Get over here out of this current a little bit. Y'all, this water is super clear. We ain't had no rain hardly, and this water is, I ain't never seen it this clear. You can see 4 foot down in this dark water. We'll throw the spider up in these trees right here. If it's deep enough for the boat to get in there. Give her a shot. I thought I had a pretty good bite with the spider today, but we'll do it on the way out. If we got enough daylight. It ain't but 4 o'clock. We got a couple hours. This might not work either. Too much current. We're gonna give her a whirl. This is where you need spot lock. This is where spot lock would come in ideal. Ooh. Let's get back here out of the current. Yeah, he hammered it, son. Dang. It's a bass. Hey, don't look. Feels weird being in the water. You ain't been in it so long.
Yeah. We need to do camps.
And another one. Big old speck.
Ooh, wow.
Man.
Pretty.
Off the little beetle spin. Pretty in here in the dark. Alright guys, we're gonna call that a day. Wife went up to go get the truck and we fixing to take out. But all in all, we had a pretty good day. Probably caught 8 or 9 specks and a big bluegill. Saw a couple of big gators. Couldn't get them on camera. But y'all thanks for joining us today. And I'll try and get making more videos here a lot sooner and putting them out a lot sooner and more often. But appreciate it guys, and thanks for joining us today. We'll see y'all again next time.